Okay guys, here's a little bit of help on the proportions that I asked you to work on over the weekend. So I've just scanned in the top part of the paper. Yours is yellow, mine is blue, but it's the same thing. So I'm going to take a look at problem H. Hopefully you learned last year that in proportions that cross products are equal to each other. What that means is that 4 and 12 are across from each other. So if I multiply those two together, hence the name cross products, because I'm multiplying two things across from each other, that will be equal to the product of 7 and n. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to write 7n is equal to 4 times 12. 7n is equal to 48. I'm going to divide both sides by 7. And I'm going to get n, grab my calculator, is equal to I'm getting 6.8. So it's 6.857. 6.857. And there's more after that. But it says here to round to the nearest tenth. So my nearest tenth is right here. If I look to the right, I see that there's the number 5. Because 5 is greater, or any number 5 or greater is going to round that number up. So my final answer here should be 6.9. If I've done it correctly, I should be able to come to the top and find the number 6.9 and fill in the letter H. If I came up here and I was looking for the answer of 6.8, I would not find it, and that would be an indication that maybe I rounded wrong or I did the problem incorrectly. Let's take a look at A. My cross products, I've got 2x and 15 times 9. So 2x is equal to 15 times 9. I'm going to set it up as an equation. 15 times 9 is 135. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And I'm going to get x equal to 67.5. So that number terminates right there, and I don't need to round it. It's already finished for me. I'm going to come up here, make sure that that number isn't here twice. Sometimes they do that. Up 67.5. Okay, letter N. I've got 30 times A is 30A. I'm going to set that equal to 8 times 23. So 30A is equal to 184. I'm going to divide both sides here by 30. And I get A is equal to 6.13 repeating. If I round that to the nearest tenth, I'm going to get 6.1 because the 3 will not round the 1 up. I'm looking for the letter N. Here's a 6.1, and there's a 6.1. Finally, the last one I'm going to do with you is letter Y. 5y, my one cross product, 11 times 16 is the other. I'm going to get 5y is equal to 176. I'm going to divide both sides by 5 and get y is equal to 35.2. Okay, I don't see 35.2 anywhere up there any more times, so at this point I think I'm finished. You guys should be able to finish up the rest of that paper, and hopefully you get the answer. Alright, have a good weekend. See you on Monday.